Hi students, good morning. I'm Sridevi here. So today I am going to teach you one more very interesting thing that is called the percentages. So we will learn few tips and tricks about calculating the percentages. So these are again very useful in your competitive examinations. Okay, so let me share my screen. So today we are going to focus on this how to calculate the percentages. Okay, so what is meant by percentage? Okay, the word percent itself is explaining you that it is per cent, means cent is nothing but 100. So anything divided by 100, so that is called percent. Okay, so in getting the percentages uh, tips and tricks going into it, we will first concentrate on few basic things. Okay, how to convert a percentage into fraction, first learn this. So when you say converting the percentage into fraction, take one example. When you say 20%, it's nothing but 20 divided by 100, and that is nothing but 1 by 5. So this is how you convert percentage into fraction. Now next, let's convert a fraction into percentage. Okay, so when we try to convert a fraction into percentage, what we have to do? If we say 1 by 5, if we have to convert this into percentage, we have to multiply that 1 by 5 fraction into 100, and that's nothing but 1 by 5 into 100, and it is coming as 20%. So this is how you can convert percentage into fraction and convert fraction back into percentage. So now your basics are strong, right? Now let's go into the next thing. So here I'm sharing you one simple chart, and this, if you can memorize this, I know that you can calculate it, but if you have to really save every second in your competitive examination, it is beneficial for you to remember few things. Okay, so these few things, if you remember, then it's very easy to calculate the percentages. So here, if you see 1 divided by 1, so this fraction is nothing but 100%, right? So 1 divided by 2, it's 50%. 1 divided by 3, 33.3%. So these I have given it till 1 by 10. Okay, 1 by 10 is nothing but 10%. Now when I say x is what percent of y, if I have to calculate like this, 50 is what percentage of 100. So how do we do that? Okay, so this is again, I'm first making your foundation strong by teaching you basics, and then we will go into it. Okay, so here it's nothing but 50 divided by 100 into 100, that is nothing but 50 percentage. So this is how you calculate the percentage, and this one you definitely know. So next, how will you make use of this chart? I will teach you. Okay, next, let us take one more example for the same thing. X is what percent of y. So I'm now trying to calculate what is 33.33% of 180. If I have to calculate this, ideally, what would you do? You will write anything percentage. When I say, it means that number by 100, correct? So ideally what you do, 33.33 divided by 100 into 180, and if you have to calculate all this, definitely you will take few minutes, correct? So let us not do that. Now we will try an easy method. So you know that 33.33%. What is 33.33%? It's nothing but 1 by 3. The fraction is 1 by 3. So you can replace 33.33% by 1 by 3. So what do you do? 1 by third of 180. So you'll just calculate 1 by third of 180, and that gives you 60. So when you get a question like this to find 33.33% of 180, you can just calculate 1 by third of it. Okay, next, what is 14.28% of 350? So here, this is again 14.28. It's nothing but 1 by 7 fraction. So what they're asking here is 1 by 7th of this number. Okay, so 1 by 7 into 350 is nothing but 50. So this is how you can easily calculate by memorizing these things. Now let's take one more example which where it will be very much useful. Let's say that you have got this question like x is equal to 200 and it is increased by 20%. So what is your new value of x? Right, so this is a very common question. So this is just an example of a common questions what you get. And when you say x is 200 and it's increased by 20%, so when I say 20%, 20% here is matching with what? 1 by 5th fraction, right? So it means that x is added to x by 5, which is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 5 of x, that is 6 by 5 of x. So you can easily calculate like this. 6 by 5th part of 200 is nothing but 240. So when you say it is increased by 20%, you just do it as 6 by 5 into 200. Okay. Next, what is the new value of x when x is 380 and it is increased by 16.66 percentage? So here 16.66 percentage into fraction. So what is it? 16.66 is nothing but 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 plus 1 and that into x. So it's nothing but 7 by 6x and that is giving you the value of 210. Isn't it very easy? Otherwise it's very difficult for you to do this calculation of 16.66 divided by 100 into, and so all this will take so much of your time to get to a conclusion of what is the answer for it, right? So I hope that this is very useful for you, and keep practicing, and I'm sure you will be able to crack your examinations. Thank you. Bye.